Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the last part of the lesson, that is on wings of courage. The lesson is divided into three parts. First two parts we have studied in the two lecture. Now this is the last part. In the previous lecture we have studied about different awards, his service, his posting, the birthplace, etc. But in this video, we are going to study about the active part taken by Arjan Singh in the pre-World War II. And at the same time, it gives information about the different awards won by Arjan Singh. Before we begin the lesson, let us move to meanings. I'll read out the meanings. Took over reins means took over control. Gearing up, getting ready. Flying currency, up to date skills and experience of flying aircraft. Contemporary means of present times. Constraints, that means different restrictions. Astute means sharp and intelligent. CAS, this is the short form. The full form is Chief of the Air Staff. Forward basis means a secured forward operating military position. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force, Arjan Singh, took over the control of IAF. On 1st August 1964, Arjan Singh took control over IAF. When it was still rebuilding itself, it was gearing up, it was getting ready, it was rebuilding when Arjan Singh joined took the control over the IAF on 1st August 1964. He took the responsibility with new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank. He was the first chief officer to keep his flying currency. He had having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary Gnats and Vampires. Arjan Singh flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary Gnats and Vampires. Not only that, he has also flown transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armed thrust targeted at the vital town of Aknoor. Now in the 1965, Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armed thrust targeted at the town of Aknoor. During that time, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory despite there was many restrictions imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force. Though there was a restriction for the full-scale use of Air Force, Arjan Singh, with his great courage, determination and professional skill, he led IAF through the war. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. So because of his determination, because of his astute leadership, he was awarded with Padma Bhushan award. So during the war, he took great active part and he tried to bring the victory. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force contribution during the war, The rank of the CA was upgraded, and Arjan Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Because of his determination, his courage, his active part in the war, Arjan Singh was appointed, or he was awarded as the first Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He got the position, the rank was given to Arjan Singh. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure. During the service, he worked very hard, and he remained a flyer till the end of his service. He remained as a flyer in RAF, visiting forward bases and units and flying with the squadrons. Squadron means, I have already told you, the warships, group of warships or the airplanes. He retired in the month of August 1969, and then he accepted ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government confirmed the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in 2002 in the month of Jan, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. Dear students, this is very easy lesson. Once again I am telling, it gives a biography of Arjan Singh, and we can understand the different awards which is won by Arjan Singh and offered by the government for his great dedication, his courage, his active part in the war. And he remained as a flyer till the end of his service, and it gives the detail about his birthplace, his retirement, his different post. He has appointed as an ambassadorship to Switzerland, and then he worked as a Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 90. And then Arjan Singh, he got the 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. So dear students, read the lesson clearly and understand the concept once again. I have put some assignment. All the question answers I have given. You refer the textbook page number 15, 16, 17 and 18 as well as 19 for the detailed questions. These are the assignments. You can refer the textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.